Hi there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to manage your client feedbacks on your Wix Studio workspace. Let's get started. On your workspace, go to Client Experience on the left, and here, go to Client Feedback. And this is where you'll see all the sites you've submitted for feedback to your clients. Here, we have the filter dropdown, where you can filter your sites according to these categories. So, sites with open threads, sites with resolved threads only, and all sites with feedback. You can also use the search bar right here to pull up a specific site, especially if you have a lot of sites on your dashboard. If you want to view a site's feedback, just click the View Feedback button next to the site you want to work on. It will then take you to a new tab where you'll see your website as well as the comments or feedback your client left. Going back to the dashboard, if you click on the three dot button next to the site you want to work on, you'll find options to copy a shareable link of the site, request feedback, or edit this site. So go ahead and manage your site or site feedbacks however you want to, according to the available options here. That's all for now, guys. We hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.